hey guys, so this is Hugo Paquet, Marketing Manager at TQ. We're here today to talk to you about LendingPad. Our first batch was last fall, and based off the success of this event, now we decided to run another batch, which you can apply for only a couple of days now. So what is LendingPad? We're lucky today to have two of the past participants with us today. So Tim Bruenjes from SmartKarma and Karl Molzer from CCEX. So perhaps Tim, you could tell us a bit more about your experience in LendingPad last time around.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Hugo. So SmartKarma is a Singapore headquartered financial technology company, and it was very clear to us in mid-2017 that we are about to scale globally. So we naturally had a look around the globe to see where should we set up offices, and we very much welcome the ecosystem approach of TQ, and specifically we love to participate in the LendingPad program because it gave us a great insight and good view into the ecosystem on the ground here.
And perhaps, Karl, you can tell us a bit more about that, of the ecosystem approach, and why, for example, Frankfurt is at the center of this fintech and financial services-oriented ecosystem.
Yeah. So basically, we are CCEX Cloud Commodities Exchange, and we are introducing a new asset class globally, which is cloud computing. We chose Frankfurt and we chose the LendingPad because here we have access to the new financial hub in Europe, which is obviously Frankfurt. You do have the access to the banks, to legal teams, to regulatory stuff, and I think the whole collaborative approach that was offered by LendingPad was unique.
So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to get a foothold on the German market or the European market, and you want to know from experts about all the legal, regulatory, financial tools that you have access to, LendingPad is for you. So you have only a couple of days left to apply, so you can check it out on our website, TechQuartier.com.